this mysterious box just showed up at my front door randomly from Ryonet. Is this what it's like being a screen printer on YouTube? Ryonet just sends you random things? Anyway, I can't possibly imagine what this is. Actually, you know what? I do know what this is, and chances are you know what this is if you saw the title of the video. But let's pretend like we don't know what it is and have a good old-fashioned unboxing. Alright, so it's basically exactly what I thought it was. Baselayr Emulsion. That's right, Ryonet has upped their game and is offering us a new emulsion to use. From what I understand, they have 3 types of Baselayr emulsion. There's long-lasting, plastisol, and complete. And they actually sent me the emulsion that is probably best suited for my situation, and the one that I was probably going to end up buying myself anyway. Long-lasting. Baselayr long-lasting emulsion is a high-performance, high-solids dual-cure emulsion designed for printers who are either new to screen printing, do not have a proper light-safe darkroom, or do not have an LED or better exposure unit. Well, that's pretty much me because I am pretty new to screen printing. I don't have the most ideal darkroom setup. It's a garage with some light leakage coming from the garage doors. And yeah, my exposure unit is not ideal. It's a DIY unit that's basically just a light with a box around it. And in addition to the emulsion, they gave me some artwork to expose, and then they sent me some stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? And as I mentioned before in the product literature that they sent me, this is a dual cure emulsion that requires the addition of a diazo. And this is actually the first time I'll be using an emulsion like that. I'm gonna try this out on a few screens to really try to dial in the exposure time. They have some suggestions for how long I might want to expose it, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna wanna use an exposure calculator to really kind of figure that out. And you know what? This is gonna come at a better time because I just ran out of my last emulsion. So the print came out pretty good. The thing I like about this emulsion is that you can get pretty good detail even on a 160 mesh. As you can see here, this graphic has a lot of little halftone dots in it. And you know, they all held up pretty friggin' good if you ask me. The thing with dual cure emulsion is you can get higher detail but you trade that off with a shorter shelf life. It's kind of a bummer, but that's kind of the trade-off, and honestly, I'm fine with it. And then this was the other one that I put on a 110 mesh. Not a whole lot of detail in this one, maybe just a few little lines here, but you know, this one held up just as well. All in all, I think the emulsion held up just fine. I think the long-lasting Baselayr emulsion is definitely a good emulsion to use if you're a new screen printer, or maybe you don't have the best darkroom setup like myself. It's really easy to use. All you gotta do is add the diazo mix to the emulsion, give it a good stir, and you're pretty much ready to go. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and you know, let me know in the comments, what do you prefer? Do you like dual cure emulsion, or do you prefer photopolymer emulsion? Do you think you'll use Baselayr? Yeah, just let me know in the comments what you think. And thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.